Guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and the best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. This is a super nice 2008 Bison Stratus. It is an 8315, so that's an 8 wide, 3 horse, 15-foot short wall with a slide. This trailer is immaculate. It is in excellent shape. Can't say enough good things about this trailer. It's been well kept. All the maintenance has been kept up to date on it. It's a great trailer. So here we go. White in color, graphics. I'm on the wrong side of the trailer for my video, so y'all just excuse me. I'm gonna kind of pop back through. In the pictures, you're gonna see this enclosed front, and you'll see underneath there is your propane tanks, your spare tire. It's just nice and clean and kind of kept up in that enclosed front. That is a expensive add on most trailers, so this one has that enclosed front. It has a stainless nose, so I'm going to go underneath and go around the other side of the trailer. It does have 2 jacks. They are electric, 2 jack legs. It does have a slide. Again, this is an 8315, so 15-foot short wall. There is absolutely nothing on the outside that I can point out wrong with the trailer. It is in incredible shape for its age. Again, it's been well taken care of. It has an escape door, 3 drop windows with bars. It does have 2 manger storage boxes, access to those mangers. I'll show you from the other side. It does have a aftermarket rear ramp. It is a sturdy ramp. You can't see it with it down right now. You'll see it in the pictures if you go to my website to look at all the pictures of this trailer. A very sturdy aluminum ramp. Has a collapsible rear tack. Now they've put these grates in the floor. I have left them. They're super nice. To keep your things up off the floor when they're in the manger box and in the first stall for storage. It's kind of a cool idea. So those go with the trailer. They're not made out of wood, they're made out of plastic. They're really cool. So this trailer is an 8 wide. It is 7'6" tall. It is fully lined and insulated. It does have roof vents. Padded dividers, they're in excellent shape. All the padding's in good shape. Does have a lower divider. So horse box is just as nice as the whole entire trailer. No damage whatsoever. 3 rear slider windows. There's really some stains on the back wall here, and the rubber has a couple little, like, I guess, drag marks in it, but no holes. So again, horse box is 8 wide. It does have mangers, and it does have roof vents. Fully lined and insulated horse box. Trailer's in excellent shape horse box wise. Actually everything. I mean, I can't really fault this trailer. I was very impressed when it came in. It cleaned up nicely. Again, people have taken great care of this trailer. It shows. So nothing on this side that I can complain about. It does have a manual awning. All right, stepping up into the LQ, it does have a slide out step. It does have a camper door with a screen door. So again, this is a 15-foot short wall. You get a couch and a dinette. The dinette is in the slide box. It's got a front kitchen with a actual 3-burner gas top stove and a, let me double check, but I think it's an oven. Yes, it does have an oven. 2 sinks. Cabinets galore. This thing has a ton of storage. I don't really do storage much in trailers anymore. I think of the past. This particular trailer has a lot of storage. So the couch makes a bed. The dinette makes a bed as well. So you've got ample sleeping area. Floor space is good. Kind of give you a visual. Again, this trailer's in excellent shape, and you know, It says a lot about how someone takes care of something. All right, nice big steps up to the bed. Got cabinets all the way around. There's 2 mirrors. There's cabinets behind those mirrors. It does have a big fridge. Now you can kind of see the other angle. It has a holder for a TV. It does not have a TV. So it does not have a TV, but it has the holder for the TV. The other nice thing about this trailer is the bathroom is is big. It's got a very big shower. It's a squared off shower. Like I said, I can't even go through all the cabinets to show you, but there's cabinets everywhere. Pocket door to the bathroom, and the bathroom is a good size. This shower is a great size shower. So if you're looking for a trailer with a really good size shower, this is a squared off shower, and it's just a great size. Sink and vanity. Walk-through door. Spinning around, you've got a cabinet here in the bathroom. Hanging cabinet. Lots of storage. They put a mirror on the sliding door. So a lot of great things about this trailer. Looking for a 15-foot short wall, have a lot of extra people to sleep, need extra room. If you're going to be camping a lot and you want the extra room as you're camping, this is your trailer. All right, guys, so 2008, the lawnmower's going outside. I'm just going to recap. 8315 Bison Stratus. Can't say enough good things about this trailer. It's in excellent shape. Inside and outside and horse box, all of the things. All right, guys, just giving you another outside look. The best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. This is Carolina Trailer Sales. Go to carolinatrailersales.com for pictures and more information and price on this super nice Bison trailer. You guys have a great day.